For a long time in broadcast and in AV, people have been nibbling at actual IP workflows. Everything going over our RJ45s, our routers, our switches, and we're starting to really hit that place where it's all coming together on both sides of the fence for us. So with a couple of our products, our IPTs and our IPRs, which do J2K encoding, we really have reached a place where you can do very high level of brilliant broadcast quality video easily in a multicast distributed environment. You don't need it necessarily an SDI router and a bunch of little point-to-point stuff. You can send one signal and have it come out SDI or HDMI or whatever and just flow through the magic of IP. Well, some of our most exciting new products, we announced them at NAB a couple months ago, but the one I'm most excited about really is our KeyPro Ultra Plus. So if you're familiar with our line of recorders, they've been doing ProRes, DNX, rack mount, camera mount, all sorts of different form factors. And this is really a continuation of our KeyPro Ultra. The new version can actually do 4 channels of HD in one little nice box. You can fit 8 channels in the 2RU shelf. And I think that's brilliant for crash recording, multicam, everything that people have been asking for a long time, so it can use the 4 inputs for either UHD or 4HD inputs, which is really cool. Well, we've seen HD-based T really take off from something that was a niche television technology and in the home for getting from an AV receiver to a television, and we've seen it in sports replay, we've seen it in broadcast, medical imaging, we've seen it all over the place with our RovoCam and a bunch of our HD-based T partners. Well, Hielo was really exciting. We started delivering in February, and we've had a lot of different use cases, whether it's a church, a corporate environment, a school, sports. We've actually had people using them as contribution encoders, sending the streams into a switcher and then out. It gets all very meta these days, baseband to baseband, IP. But some of the cool things I've seen and how the product started to evolve is people are really asking for automation and scheduling with Hielo. Now that they've had it in-house, they've been using it, they've come to like it, like, well, what if I don't have to walk over and hit the button? Or what if I can script this thing that'll do this, that, and the other thing? Well, we now kind of made those things possible. In our new firmware, we have a very easy to use .ICS Calendar system, so you can make a Google Calendar, send it to me, I can put it in my Hielo, and it will start streaming and recording based on calendar events right in there. You can also build one right in Hielo, you don't need to go to any other calendar. And with the REST API, we've seen a lot of integrators who can integrate it with a Crestron or with whatever control system they want to get into. A REST API, which we've had in a lot of our embedded products for a long time, and we have people using it. Hielo is the perfect product for that. So we've had a lot of excitement around just integrator opportunities.